Hello, today I'm going to be singing for you Misty Shoe song. So listen up. Okay, it goes a little bit like this. A boom, a boom, a boom, 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 boom. Misty shoe, I mean misty shoe. Misty shoe, it's not a grassy pot. It's a misty shoe, misty shoe. No, it's not an overrated flannel. It's a misty shoe type of a shoe. Is it good for roller skating? No, it's not. It's a misty shoe. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a misty shoe. It's not a roller skate. It's not a sandwich or a misty shoe. Yes, it is actually. It's a misty shoe. It's a misty shoe. A misty shoe. Does it smell good? No, it don't. Does it smell good? No, it don't. Does it smell good? No, it don't. I'm a three. Misty shoe, misty shoe, you are the you are the you are you. I am the one who is you. No, I'm not, because I'm not a misty shoe. Hey, misty shoe. Hey, misty shoe. Hey, misty shoe. Hey, misty shoe. No, you're not a misty shoe. You are a person like me, but it's a misty shoe. And it's nothing like we. It's not like poo. It's not like you. It's not like me. And it's a misty shoe. It's misty. It's a shoe. It has a soul in it. It has a soul. Not like us. Not a soul like us. It has a misty soul. A soul of mist. Mist. It's a misty shoe. A misty shoe. It's very, very misty. And it's a shoe. Does it smell good? No, it don't. It's a misty shoe, and it's better than you. Thanks for watching, guys. That's been the Misty Shoe song. Stay tuned for another video.